Welcome, dear listener. This is your time to let go. This is your time to rest. This is your time to cleanse your mind, your body, and your spirit. Tonight, as you gently drift into deep sleep, you will be guided into a state of profound relaxation and healing. The soothing sounds of soft rain and calming music will carry you into a dreamlike journey where your mind can release the weight of overthinking, your body can let go of tension, and your spirit can be restored to its natural state of peace and light. As you listen, simply allow yourself to follow the words, without effort, without control. Your subconscious knows exactly what to do. All you need is to relax and let go. Before we begin, make sure you are lying down comfortably, your head resting softly, your body supported, arms and legs loose and relaxed. Close your eyes gently and give yourself permission to surrender to this moment. Take a deep breath in, hold for a moment, and slowly exhale. Again, breathing deeply, inhaling fresh air, calm energy, exhaling tension, worries, and stress. One more time, breathing in peace, and breathing out everything you no longer need. Feel your breath guiding you into relaxation, like waves moving gently on the shore. Each breath slows your mind, softens your body, and opens the doorway to sleep. Now imagine the sound of gentle rain falling around you. A soft, steady rhythm. Cleansing, pure. Each raindrop washing away thoughts that no longer serve you. Picture yourself lying safely under a peaceful sky. The rain is warm, refreshing, and healing. It falls gently onto your skin, washing away stress. Each drop carries away something heavy you've been holding on to. As the rain falls, you feel lighter. As the rain continues, you feel cleansed. As the rain flows, you feel renewed. Your mind begins to empty, like a clear river carrying away all clutter. Your body begins to release, like tension melting into the earth. Your spirit begins to shine, like light breaking through the clouds. Now, bring your attention to your body, starting with the top of your head. Feel a wave of relaxation moving down, softening your forehead, smoothing your brow. The rain cleanses your temples, easing away any thoughts that linger. Your eyelids grow heavier, your jaw loosens, your shoulders drop with relief. With every drop of rain, your muscles melt deeper into the bed. Your arms, heavy and relaxed. Your chest, rising and falling gently. Your stomach, soft and at ease. Your legs, sinking deeper. Your feet, warm and heavy. From head to toe, you are calm. From skin to soul, you are cleansed. Now imagine the rain cleansing not only your body but also your thoughts. See your mind as a clear, open sky. Any storm clouds of worry, doubt, or overthinking dissolve with the rainfall. The rain whispers to you, it is safe to let go. It is safe to rest. It is safe to be at peace. Each drop washes your thoughts clean, leaving only stillness, clarity, and calm. Your mind is now clear and light, ready to dream freely, ready to drift into deep sleeps. The rain falls gently. Your spirit begins to glow. You feel a soft, golden light within your chest. With every breath, this light expands, filling your heart, filling your body, surrounding you in warmth. This is your inner spirit, pure, peaceful, whole. The rain and the light work together, washing away negativity, filling you with peace. Every raindrop cleanses your soul. Every breath strengthens your spirit. You are safe. You are loved. You are free now. Allow yourself to drift into a dreamlike journey. Imagine walking along a forest path as the rain gently falls. The earth is soft beneath your feet. The scent of rain and earth surrounds you. You come to a small clearing where a crystal clear lake reflects the sky above. You step closer, kneeling by the water. You notice that the lake glows softly, as if filled with healing energy. You reach out, touching the water with your fingertips. The moment you touch it, you feel a wave of cleansing energy moving through you. Every worry, every fear, every doubt dissolves into the water, leaving you light, free, and whole. You step into the lake, allowing its healing water to surround you. The rain above and the lake below work together, cleansing you completely. Mind, body, spirit. You float effortlessly, supported by the water, supported by the universe. Nothing to do, nothing to fix, nothing to worry about. You are at peace. Now, as you rest in this healing space, allow these affirmations to flow into your mind. You don't need to repeat them, just let them sink deeply into your subconscious. I am safe. I am calm. I am at peace. I release what no longer serves me. My body is healing. My mind is clear. My spirit is light. I am whole. I am free. These words settle gently into your dreams, guiding you into deep, restorative sleep. With each moment, you drift deeper into sleep. The rain continues, soft and steady. The music carries you gently. Your breathing is slow, steady, peaceful. You are floating now, between waking and dreaming. Your body asleep, your mind clear, your spirit renewed. Deeper and deeper you go, safe and supported, cleansed and healed. Every cell in your body is resting. Every part of your mind is quiet. Every layer of your spirit is glowing. Now, allow yourself to fully surrender to sleep. The rain will continue to cleanse you as you dream. The music will cradle you through the night. And when you awaken, you will feel refreshed, light, and renewed. For now, there is nothing more to do, nothing more to think about. Only rest, only healing, only peace. Sleep deeply now. Sleep peacefully. Sleep in perfect harmony with your mind, body, and spirit. Good night.